What are we seeing behind you here?
An installation of about 22,000 shoes here at Place de la République, which is a square in the city that really symbolizes the entire country of France and the spirit of Paris. And it represents the people who were going to march in the global climate march. And because of the terrorist attacks, that was canceled. The people's movement has really delivered a mainstream long-term goal to make sure countries keep coming back to the table every year and they up their ambition and that they deliver on what their people want. Just fundamentally to save this world, get us off fossil fuels forever. We are at a tipping point in our planet's history where we can choose to guide it into a sustainable future or we can let it spin out of control. This climate conference can deliver a grand bargain for the world to really save us from catastrophic climate change.